Today we are tackling a problem that comes up all the time, stacking multiple columns into a single list in Power Query. I will show you two solid ways to do it, the classic Unpivot Columns method and a slightly more advanced List.Combine trick. Using Unpivot Columns is the most common approach and it's great for beginners. First, you need to select the columns you want to stack. You can use Ctrl and Shift to select multiple columns. If you want to immediately select all columns, use Ctrl A. Then go to Transform tab and click Unpivot Columns. Here is what happens. Power Query creates two columns: attribute, the original column names, and value, the stacked data. It basically melts all selected columns into rows, which is exactly what stacking means. Quick, simple, and readable. The second method is a bit more advanced, but extremely flexible. It works well when column names might change or you want to stack all columns dynamically. Let's create a new step. We can use Table.ToColumns function to convert your table into a list of lists, one list per column. Then you can use List.Combine function to merge all these lists into one long list. And you only need to click to Table on your Transform tab to transform it back into the table format. Now you can remove the null values, if needed. Why it's useful? There is no need to manually select or hardcode column names. It handles white tables very efficiently. And it works well if new columns are added later. You don't need to adjust your query. Extra tip: if your table is huge, you can use table buffer function before Table.ToColumns to avoid repeated evaluation and speed things up. So if you need to keep column names, use Unpivot Columns method. And if you are working with huge tables, you could try Table.ToColumns and List.Combine method. Both do the same, but now you will know each one to choose depending on your dataset and workflow. See ya!